Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. So today we have come up with a new NLU which has released its notifications for vacant seats. This is none other than NALSAR Hyderabad. So what are the details, how to check it, how to apply, where to apply? Let's look into the details. So open the Google, just type NLU vacancies 2026. A dedicated page from Abhyaas LawPrep will be appearing in the first. So if you click on that, directly you will be taken to the vacant seats page. Click on this vacant seats. Here you will get the details of all the vacant seats whenever a NLU has released the notification. So here it is about NALSAR. So from here, if you click there, I think a link has been will be updated shortly here. So here a link will be given. If you click there, it will be taken you to the Google form page. So let us look into the details of what is this. So NALSAR, it has released a vacant seat for only one seat. It is under All India ST category. So there is no application fee. The deadline is June 4, 10 a.m. and NALSAR will be releasing the list by June 5, 3 p.m. So there is no application fee, but the only condition is that you should get All India General category less than 200 rank. So there is an upper limit of All India rank. So irrespective of our category, if you want to apply, those who get less than 200 rank in All India level, so they are only able to apply. So it is the vacant seat is only for All India ST category. Suppose if there is no application from All India ST category, it will be shifted to All India SC category. If there is no application from All India SC category, which have those who have to meet this criteria. So if there is no required application from All India SC category, automatically it will be shifted to All India General category. So that means irrespective of your category, if your rank is less than 200 and if you want to enter into NALSAR, so you can apply for vacant seats of NALSAR, so that if ST candidate less than 200 rank is available, the seat will be allocated to ST. Otherwise, it will be considered as a SC. Otherwise, it will be considered as a OC. So this is the flow. So as there is no application fee, try to apply it here if your rank is less than 200. So for more updates, please stay tuned to Abhyaas LawPrep. Whenever an NLU releases the vacancies, will be updating immediately. Thank you. Bye-bye.